Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket was destroyed in a dramatic explosion during an engine test on the launch pad at Cape Canaveral on Thursday night. The blast sent a fireball into the sky and shook homes in the surrounding area. No injuries were reported. The company confirmed the vehicle was undergoing a pre-launch engine firing ahead of a planned satellite mission scheduled for next week when the incident occurred. The setback adds pressure on the New Glenn program following a previous flight anomaly earlier this year that left a satellite in the wrong orbit. SpaceX CEO Elon Musk also reacted to the incident, offering support to Blue Origin and writing on X, "Sorry to see this, I hope you recover quickly." The rocket is central to Blue Origin's plans for large-scale satellite deployment and future lunar missions tied to NASA's Artemis program. The program will eventually see humans return to its surface for the first time since the Apollo missions. Blue Origin has recently secured contracts linked to the upcoming Artemis flights.